Pick up that foot, open up your hip, squeeze into your glute muscles, zip up your core muscles, slide the foot up, and just leave your fingertip on the wall, or lift your arms up and feel the strength through your feet. Whoa, see, look, see, put your hand on the wall or put your stick down. Feel the strength through your feet as you work through that balance. Taking a nice breath in, exhale, shake it out. We are moving on to our warrior poses, okay? I've got my towel, long. It's kind of like my stick, see? All right. So, you've got your stick. I got my towel. Start with your feet wide. What we're looking for is about a leg's length in the center. Now everybody's hip flexibility and mobility is different, all right? So again, make it comfortable for you. So in other words, we have changed position. Take your feet wide where it is comfortable for you. I think we're gonna go to the right side first. So pick up those toes, turn them toward the right. Now take your left heel and push it out. So look, I'm gonna do it wrong. Look at my left foot. All right? Those toes have to turn in, the heel needs to push out. Bend your right knee. Allow your hand to encourage the hip on the right side to open up. Okay? Stick or towel. Up. Over your head. Adjust your hands. So what I mean by that is, we don't want them too close. Make it comfortable where you can pull your arms back behind you. Again, it's so that we can engage your back muscles. The right knee is on top of that right ankle. And just like we had that stick over our head at the very beginning, your head is centered. Okay, so now, don't move your right leg. Lean to the left. Ha! So we've practiced this side bend. Yes, we have. Now here's the deal. Don't let your towel go like that. That's why we're maintaining. So that, of course, the stick won't do that, see? But your towel acts the same way. Lean to the left and work that beautiful reverse warrior. Take a nice breath in, exhale and lift up. Release your arms down. Press those shoulders. Okay? Press them up. Can we strengthen those legs a little bit more? Can you sink lower? Maybe you walk your left foot out. Keep that tailbone pointing down. Ready? To the left. Do not move your right knee. This is a no-no. Of course, you can always shake it out when you need. But open up the right side of your body and feel the strength through your legs. And you're working your posture because you're holding your arms back to squeeze those shoulder blades together. Even though you might feel that your legs are trembling, take a nice breath in. Lift. Okay, don't forget if you need to shake it out, because here we go. Find your position. Drop an extra inch lower. Pull your stick or your towel back so that you're very open and strong to the front of your body. And lean to the left. And open up along your side body. Take a nice breath in. Lift. Release. Turn those right toes forward. Shake out your legs. All right? There might be a little bit of glute muscle engagement. There was a whole lot going on with that simple reverse warrior. But we have to do the other side. Here we go. Take your feet wide. Pick up the left toes, turn them. Push the right heel out. Turn your body to face the front, okay? None of this diagonal sideways thing. Turn your body to the front, bend your knee. It is on top of your ankle, right? It does not have to be low. It can be wherever it is good for you. Just adjust your foot and put that knee on top of your ankle. Face the front. Maybe I'll use the stick on this side. It doesn't really make a difference because you can see that the body placement is the same. Towel or stick. Point your knee toward your pinky toe. Just the act of pointing your knee toward your pinky toe will open up that hip and engage that inner thigh. Adjust your hands on your towel or your stick, wherever it is good for you. Shoulders back and down. Squeeze the ribs together. Here we go. We are leaning to the right. And that left knee is not moving. And just feel the body open up on that left side. Remember, the reason that we've got this stick or your towel is to give you the feeling of finding more space. So don't forget to keep reaching through your hands. Take a breath in. All right. Shake it out. We have 2 more. Find your position. Go a little deeper. Maybe. Hands up. Pull your stick back behind you. Engage those back muscles. Sink into your legs. And lean. Yeah, there's a little bit of a pinch there on that right side of your waistline. Nothing wrong with squeezing those oblique muscles. Take a breath in. Exhale. All right. One more time. Reset. Lift. Pull the stick or towel back. Squeeze your ribs together. Engage those core muscles. Reverse warrior. And smiling. Legs are strong. Are we trembling yet? Reach a little further. Take a breath in. Exhale. Lift up. Turn that left toe forward. Step it in. Shake out your legs.